Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for government jobs online, an easy guide. First, locate the official online portal for government employment in your specific region. Once there, you will need to create a secure user account, ensuring you choose a strong and memorable password. Understand what essential personal and professional information is required to complete your comprehensive profile before you begin applying. Finding the right opportunity is crucial, so utilize the advanced search filters to effectively narrow down the extensive job listings. Be sure to focus on specific keywords that accurately reflect your skills, experience, and desired roles to refine your results. Carefully read each job description in its entirety to ensure your qualifications are a strong match before investing your valuable time in an application. Crafting a strong application is key. Tailor your resume to specifically address the duties and qualifications outlined in each job announcement. Next, write a compelling cover letter that highlights your most relevant experiences and explains why you are the ideal candidate for that particular role. Make sure to prepare any required supporting documents, such as transcripts or certifications, well in advance of the submission deadline. Before hitting submit, meticulously double-check every section of your application for accuracy and completeness, as even minor errors can cause issues. After submission, always confirm that your application was successfully received through the official portal, usually via an email notification. Then, track the status of your application periodically through your account to stay informed about its progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.